This story is about Peverly. A friend named Peverly of FFRC found Peverly the cat in Toledo when she was attending a conference. She was there at the door, asking politely to come inside. When the conference was over, Peverly the human brought the kitten to us. She was just 10 weeks old and such a pretty girl, a marble tiger with white. She appeared to be healthy, just very hungry. We can take care of that problem, and it wasn't long until Peverly had the FFRC belly. She was initially adopted in December, kept a couple of weeks, and then returned. No fault of Peverly, the family dynamics changed, and she was unable to keep her. She fit right back in with no trouble. She was such a beauty. Next, we heard from Pam and Rich, our FFRC friends from Colorado. They wanted to adopt her, but thought they'd have to wait until late spring due to the mountain snows. But they took a chance on the weather and came in March to officially adopt her. Peverly is still there, and they have given her a wonderful home. The pictures we have seen on Facebook shows a healthy, shiny, happy Peverly. Here's a picture, and thank you to Terry W.